Welcome to our lesson about the Find Component tool. As your assembly gets bigger, it becomes much harder to correlate components in the browser with the components in the graphic area. And that's where the Find Component tool becomes very handy. You'll find yourself using this functionality frequently as you begin working on larger and larger assemblies. Let's right-click on a part and let's select Find Component. Inventor zooms in on the component. Let's unselect everything by clicking in some blank space. Now let's do this operation in reverse. Let's say I want to find this component in the browser. Right-click and watch what happens. In my drop-down menu, I don't have the option to find the component, and that's because I had selected a face. Let's go to Selection Tools. We need to select Component Priority or Part Priority. Now I'm going to right-click and select Find in Browser. And the component becomes selected in the browser. Let's try a different select tool. We'll use Select Faces and Edges. Now we're able to select faces and edges or sketch features, and for example, I can now select this hole. And this concludes our lesson about the Find Component function.